Hello YouTube, for today's video I have this travel garment steamer. It's a small, compact size, lightweight. It doesn't come with a lot of stuffs features, but I think it's really easy to use, plug and play. And I'm gonna just open the box and see what it comes with. I think this is a pouch, easy to carry whenever you're traveling. There's this glove that you can use, and the main body is here, and some user manual over here, some cautions over here, what to do, what not to do. User manual is over here, and some comments you can follow on social media there. So the body is really small, light. I'm gonna just take this, and it's not shiny, it's kind of like a low profile. I like the this color it has, bright. It's kind of like in the low side of the color, and it's got this label there, max, minimum, and it's got some grip on the handle inside, and you can use it. Let me just turn it on. So I turn it on, and I probably have to put some water there. So it's got this instruction: open, close. So for opening, you can see the arrow turn clockwise, it snaps and it comes out. Then you can put water there, and then you just close the lid. You can see that line up there, you just have to line up and turn it counterclockwise, and it locks, it closes, and you can see those port from where these 5 port, those steam kind of comes out and turns on. This is your turn on, turn off button. Really plug and play kind of design, easy to use. Has this glove over here. It's kind of universal size, and it comes with one additional this washer rubber, so that you can use in case that wears out. I wish if this label was a little bit bigger. Sometimes it's confusing which way to open and which way to close. Otherwise, it's really slick design here, really small. You can put it in your backpack or very small duffel bag too, and I like the size it has, very lightweight, small, easy to carry around. And this pouch is really good. I can simply put it inside, and it's ready to go from URPower. And it does have this automatic shut off, so based on the specific temperature, it kind of shuts off, and that's a really good safety feature, and it's safe to use on all kind of fabrics. So there you go guys, thank you for watching this video.